On this slide, you are creating your own personal breathing toolkit. Up to this point in the module, you have learned that your breath is not just automatic. It is also something you can use on purpose to change your mental and physical state. Now the goal is to apply that learning to real situations in your daily life. You can see a table with different situations: before exams, before sports, before sleep, when angry, during homework, and when feeling anxious. For each one, you will choose one breathing technique that fits best. There is not always only one correct answer. The important thing is to choose a method that matches what your body and mind need in that moment. For example, before exams, you may want a technique that helps calm nervous energy and improve focus. Before sports, you may choose a breathing method that helps you feel alert, steady, and ready. Before sleep, a slower and gentler technique is usually best because it tells the body it is safe to relax. When you are angry, you may need a breath practice that creates a pause before reacting. During homework, you may want a rhythm that supports concentration without making you too sleepy. And when feeling anxious, you may choose a method that slows the body's stress response and helps you feel more grounded. As you fill in this table, think practically. Ask yourself, which technique feels natural to me? Which one works quickly? Which one helps me most in this situation? This is how mindfulness becomes useful in real life. It is not only something you understand during a lesson. It becomes a skill you can use when life becomes stressful, busy, or emotionally intense. This slide is important because it turns information into a personal action plan. In the next slide, you will be encouraged to save this toolkit so that you can come back to it whenever you need support. This final slide is a reminder to save your breathing toolkit for future use. That may sound simple, but it is actually a very important step. A tool only helps if you remember it and can find it when you need it. By saving this toolkit, you are building a resource for your future self. On a stressful morning before an exam, before a game, during a difficult homework session, or on a night when sleep feels hard, you will not have to start from the beginning. You will already have a set of breathing practices that you have chosen for yourself. This also helps you notice something important about mindfulness. Different situations need different responses. The same breathing technique may not be best for every moment. Your saved toolkit becomes a guide that helps you respond with more awareness and less guesswork. You may want to keep it in your Notes app, your journal, a screenshot folder, or anywhere that is easy to access. The easier it is to find, the more likely you are to use it. As this module ends, remember the main idea. Your breath is one of the fastest and most reliable tools you have for resetting your body and mind. The more often you practice these techniques, the easier it becomes to use them when they matter most.